it's Brian, and welcome to another Mineral King Railroad video. Join me as we travel to the California State Railroad Museum to learn about one of Nevada's most famous locomotives, the Virginia Truckee number 18, the Dayton. The Dayton was built in 1873 to serve the booming mining industry in Nevada after the discovery of silver in 1859. With demand soaring, the Virginia Truckee Railroad turned to Central Pacific's master mechanic, A.J. Stevens, to build locomotives tough enough for the rugged terrain between Reno and Carson City. The result was the Dayton, a 440 American-type locomotive. Built for both passenger and freight service, it quickly proved itself a reliable workhorse, climbing steep mountain grades, assisting traveling circuses, and battling Nevada's harsh winter snow. By 1937, after over 60 years of service, the Dayton was retired, but Hollywood came calling. Legendary director Cecil B. DeMille purchased the locomotive for $1,000 to appear in its epic film, Union Pacific. The Dayton took on the role of the famous Union Pacific number 119 in the 1939 movie, helping to cement its place in movie history. After decades of movie stardom and public appearances, including raising funds for World War II and participating in the Chicago Railroad Fair, the Dayton was finally retired for good. In 1969, it emerged once more to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Transcontinental Railroad, before being carefully restored by the Nevada State Railroad Museum. The restoration team chose to return the Dayton to its 1882 appearance, complete with original detailing, new wood cab, and builder's plates. The restored locomotive was unveiled in 1982 and is proudly preserved at its primary home in Virginia City, Nevada. The Dayton is currently on loan to the California State Railroad Museum in Sacramento, where rail fans and history lovers can get an up-close look at this beautifully restored locomotive. This special exhibit helps keep the story of the Dayton alive and accessible to a broader audience. Dayton's incredible journey from Nevada's mining days to Hollywood stardom and falling to museum preservation ensures this legendary locomotive will continue to inspire generations to come. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and click the bell so you'll be the first to know about future Mineral King Railroad adventures.